Animals and birds. Rhino.
So this is the tongue and groove.
Yeah, this is the tongue and groove part of it.
What's this called?
Tiger.
Yeah, pretty much just tool.
Somebody says hanging the tool.
That's what
That's
you
what
get.
you want. Okay.
Elephant.
So what were you doing right before I walked up here and interrupted?
I'm just giving it a rustic surface there, kind of giving a little
Bear.
look to it.
Show me what that looks like.
Rat.
Is the goal to get all the birds?
Hen.
Some people do like the white face and stuff, so we have the white, but then some people like the scattered, nice little kind of two-tone look there, so.
Lizard.
On the foam itself, then this will be facing out.
The outside, we do have one people that turn around
Sparrow.
backwards, where this will be the inside, so.
Backward people.
Back, that's a little bit.
Owl.
So this is to the point where we can move it somewhere?
Oh, yeah.
Where do you want to put it?
We can stick it right over there.